your host for the evening. Now I would like to welcome my co-host Mrs. Sadia Salma.
Good evening to one and all who all are present here. I call upon my colleagues on the dais for an invocation in Tamil.
Good evening to one and all present here. Before start any work, we have prayed to our God. Lord Ganesha forgives all our mistakes without our knowledge. O Lord, make our function of grand success. Thank you.
விநாயகனே வினை தீர்ப்பவனே விநாயகனே வினை தீர்ப்பவனே மேல முகத்தோனே ஞான முதல்வனே விநாயகனே வினை தீர்ப்பவனே குணாநிதியே குருவே சரணம் குணாநிதியே குருவே சரணம் குறைகள் களைய இதுவே தருணம் குறைகள் களைய இதுவே தருணம் விநாயகனே வினை தீர்ப்பவனே மேல முகத்தோனே ஞான முதல்வனே விநாயகனே வினை தீர்ப்பவனே உமாபதியே உலகம் என்றாய் உமாபதியே உலகம் என்றாய் ஒரு சூற்றினிலே வலமும் வந்தாய் ஒரு சூற்றினிலே வலமும் வந்தாய் கணநாதனி மாங்கனியை உண்டாய் கணநாதனை மாங்கனியை உண்டாய் கதிர்வேலவனின் கருத்தில் நின்றாய் கதிர்வேலவனின் கருத்தில் நின்றாய் விநாயகனே வினை தீர்ப்பவனே மேல முகத்தோனே ஞான முதல்வனே விநாயகனே வினை தீர்ப்பவனே.
Thank you, teachers. May the darkness of ignorance be swept away by dawn of self-realization. Now I call upon all the admin staff on the dais for the lighting the lamp. Thank you, teachers. Now I call upon the headmistress of KGN, a unit of YMPS, to address the gathering.
Good evening to one and all present here. On behalf of the whole family of Edullah Malik Public School, I have great pleasure in this wonderful evening to welcome in this prestigious moment when our institution, Edullah Malik Public School, celebrating its 6th year of annual day today. This is so precious moment for us. Beside the fact, this function underlines our school's successful back-to-back 6 years in its realm of imparting education. This dais is also going to witness the showcasing of talents of the young buds of the school and the prize-giving ceremony to the students in various spheres. It is always a pleasure to be able to address young minds. Children are our tomorrow's future. First and foremost, I would like to welcome our most honorable principal, sir, Mr. Arifullah Sharif, sir. I welcome you, sir. And I would like to welcome our chairperson, Mr. Rahim Sharif, sir. I welcome you, sir. And I would like to welcome our headmistress, Mrs. Faridunisa, ma'am. I welcome you, ma'am. And I would like to welcome our trustee members, Mr. Wasiullah Sharif, sir. I welcome you, sir. And I would like to welcome our trustee member, Mr. Masiullah Sharif, sir. I welcome you, sir. And I would like to welcome our trustee member, Mr. Masiullah Sharif, sir. I welcome you, sir. And I would like to welcome our colleagues and my dear students, and I welcome you all. Again, I would like to welcome all the dearest parents who have constantly extended their love and support to all the high prospects of the school and to each one of its facility. And last but not the least, I would like to welcome all my colleagues and students who are the part and parcel of this institution in my modest words. And I hope, I request your being cooperation throughout the program to make it a grand success. Once again, I welcome you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now our YMPS students are going to welcome you all with the classical performance. Let's hear it for them.
वक्रतुण्डाय गौर्य श्री गणेशाय धीमहि समाय गुह्य प्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्म सदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्ड खण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशाय गजाननाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Thank you girls for your classical performance.
It lights the way to heaven. I welcome you all on the 6th annual day celebration of Yadula Malik Public School and the first year of annual day celebration of a unit KGN school, a unit of YM Public School. And today is a time for rejoicing, reflection and resolution. As we set foot into the 7th and the 2nd year, we take pride in tracing our journey and presenting a fleeting glimpse of our rich past. In keeping with our school motto, success through endeavors, YMPS have been an endeavor to build the youth for the future. This century, education is about empowering youth people to change society for the better in tackling real challenges for a world beyond school. As every year, this year also, it has been an eventful one for us. We have made great effort for standard classes and have been extremely successful in most of our endeavors. YMPS consists of 2 blocks and a unit with a sophisticated building structure, including quality infrastructure with well-ventilated classrooms, AC classrooms for higher grades, a full-fledged computer lab, a swimming pool, and also a modern digital classrooms for higher and primary level. New events, new things, and new ideas are always part of YMPS. Along with gaining knowledge and contests, many events are celebrated. The YMPS celebrates many different events. Firstly, we began our Founders' Day celebration on 4th June by celebrating Founders' Day, our annual commemoration to Mr. Burhan Sharif, the founder of the school, to understand our founder's vision for dare to dream and work towards fulfilling them. Voting at school is a unique civil learning experience, and we witnessed election for a school council with campaigns, ballot, ink marking, and casting votes. On 22nd June, the school took place with the investor ceremony, and it was the first momentous occasion of the school where the newly elected and selected members of the student council were officially vested with their powers and positions. The function was graced by Chairman Mr. Rahim Sharif sir, in which our school flag was hoisted by him and the student council was shown. To progress and excel in upcoming development of school, a representative team of selected teachers were facilitated with team leaders, assistant team leaders for languages and core subjects, and also group units like Part B, Discipline, Spoken, English, Building Bond unit were introduced to make the environment better for learning. And in the year course, few teachers were promoted and felicitated with higher posts. On 15th August, Independence Day was celebrated in a colorful style by unfurling the tricolor. Student represented speeches with patriotic spirit. Various programs were displayed by students that included patriotic songs, dance, and pyramid formations. 5th September, Teachers' Day was celebrated with lot of anticipations. With the sheer spirit of the occasion, the main highlight of the day was enlightening welcome of the teachers by the students. The student council, along with the student volunteers, they introduced various games for the teachers and performed various cultural activities. As a mark of respect and honor to our dream creator, 9th September was celebrated as Legends Day. This occasion was memorialized as Mother's Day. It is more about expressing our gratitude for our school legend. On this day, students participated in culture programs at both the blocks and various events were held. This year, Diwali celebration was also held with immense joy and a feeling at the main and the unit block. The KIT students unit of YMPS gave a traditional welcome, and both the blocks messages about the significance of the festival was shared. Decorated in vibrant hues, the school had an ambience of joy and happiness. On 14th November, special event that took place in the form of a fun fest, a fair was organized by the management and the teachers as a Children's Day every year. This is a rare opportunity for children to enjoy, to have fun of their own activities and events. This day was celebrated as Carnival. Promoting competitive spirit and to bring out the hidden talents of the students, they are encouraged to participate in various co-curricular activities. Competitions like calligraphy, drawing, singing, recitation, fancy dress, cooking without fire, dance competitions were introduced during the course of the year. We conducted 2 days annual sports meet which was held at the campus. Various sports events were conducted for all the classes. The students displayed